The mysteries that challenge everything you know about the world. There are places on this planet that defy everything science thinks it knows. Places where the laws of physics seem to fail, where compasses go crazy, where the simple act of being there can change your life forever, and witnesses report events so inexplicable that not even the greatest scientists have an answer. This place was banned by the Japanese government, and the scientists who studied it have disappeared. You are about to discover 7 places that science has not yet been able to explain. But be careful. Some of them are still active, waiting for new visitors. From underground sounds that seem to come from nowhere, to forests where no one returns the same. These places aren't in movies or fiction books. They exist, and they may be closer to you than you think. And the scariest part, to this day, no one has been able to explain why. Get ready for a journey where the impossible becomes real. Stay with me until the end of this video, because today we're going to find out 7 places where the laws of physics fail. Scientists admit it. Reveal. Hello, explorers. This is Harry from Revealed. Let's start with number 7, a forest where even the trees defy physics. 7. Hoia Baciu Forest, Romania. Known as the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania. It is located in a seemingly tranquil 250-hectare forested area near Cluj-Napoca, which became famous in 1968 when a UFO was photographed just above it. After this incident, the forest became considered one of the most haunted places in the world. People report feelings of extreme anxiety, voices whispering in the wind, and even loss of time. Electronic equipment fails, and even trees grow abnormally, as if twisted by some invisible force. Mysteries. Disappearances of civilians and military personnel, reports since the 1960s. Trees twisted in a spiral shape, no geological explanation. Photographs with ghostly appearances. Scientists claim lens failures, but witnesses disagree. Why did the Romanian government ban scientific expeditions here for 20 years? 6. Devil's Sea, Japan. Also known as the Dragon's Triangle, this part of the Pacific Ocean is the Asian equivalent of the Bermuda Triangle. Ships have disappeared, planes have disappeared from radar, and even military expeditions have been swallowed up in mystery. Scientists have tried to explain it with magnetic fields, but nothing has been proven to date. Mysteries. Ships found without crew, but with food still warm on the tables. Kiyomaru no. 5 case. This case concerns the disappearance of a Japanese research vessel sent in 1952 to investigate ship disappearances in the Devil's Sea, Dragon's Triangle area, which also disappeared, contributing to the mystery of the area. Reports of ghost islands that appear and disappear on old maps. Anomalous magnetic activity, documented by the Japanese Navy. Why did Japan classify it as a restricted area until 1989? Both the Devil's Sea and the Hoia Baciu forest hide great mysteries of science, as do the next impressive places we'll explore. Hello, explorers. This is Harry from Revealed. Did you like the subject and want to know more curiosities? Then don't waste any more time. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to activate the notification bell. It helps us a lot, okay? 5. Zones of Silence, Mexico. It's an area full of bizarre plants and animals. A desert where radios stop working, compasses go crazy. Even cell phone waves simply stop working, and the silence is absolute. There are reports of lights in the sky, metallic objects falling out of nowhere, and even appearances of human figures that disappear into thin air. The Zone of Silence developed its supernatural reputation in the 1970s, after a failed rocket test by the US Air Force led to a massive cleanup operation. Could it be a portal? A glitch in reality? Mysteries. Meteorites that fall with abnormal frequency, chemical composition impossible. Reports of humanoids in silver clothes, documented by local farmers. Mutant plants that do not exist anywhere else on the planet. It's just a coincidence that it is exactly on the same parallel as the Bermuda Triangle and the pyramids of Egypt. 4. Lago Natron, Tanzania. It is of supernatural beauty with its intense red color and is located in the Arusha region, near the border with Kenya. A lake that seems to have come out of a nightmare. A lake that petrifies animals on contact, pH 12, almost pure ammonia. Its waters are so alkaline that they turn animals into statues of salt. It is as if life there were forbidden, and yet, there are extreme life forms that survive in that environment. A paradox that still intrigues science today. Mysteries. The bodies of birds and bats are perfectly preserved as statues. Local tribes swear that spirits pull creatures into the water. The only place where a species of flamingo can breed. How can such a deadly lake be the only safe home for a species? 3. Breathing Stone, Serbia. Yes, you heard right. There is a sphere-shaped stone that seems to breathe. This rock expands and contracts like a lung, 30-minute cycles. At certain times, it swells and shrinks as if it were alive. Scientists have studied its composition, but so far have not found any logical explanation. Mysteries. Measurements prove that the stone emits heat during exhalation. Local legends say it is a portal to underground worlds. Geologists cannot explain the unique mineral composition. What if this stone is a living organism, which we still don't understand? 2. Teo's Cave, Ecuador. An ancient cave full of mysteries. The origin of this name is due to the birds that live inside it, which are called teos. It is located near the Coangos River, in the province of Morona Santiago, in Ecuador. Inside, structures with elongated metal plates, without technology known for its time, with unknown inscriptions and objects that do not belong to any local civilization were found. Astronauts have visited the place, including Neil Armstrong, and left with more questions than answers. Mysteries. The book The Gold of the Gods, 1973, claims it is an alien library. The 1976 British expedition disappeared for 72 hours and returned without equipment. The Ecuadorian government sealed the cave in 2019. Official reason: security. Why did Neil Armstrong visit this place in secret in 1976? 1. Yonaguni Underwater World, Japan. Beneath the coastal waters of the Japanese island of Yonaguni lies a series of mysterious rock formations discovered nearly 38 years ago. A complex of gigantic structures on the ocean floor. Stairs, pillars, corridors, and even what appears to be a pyramid. Some say it is an ancient underwater civilization. Others believe it is just a natural formation. Submerged stone structures, pyramids, temples, and even a stadium. The truth? No one knows. But the images are spine-chilling. Mysteries. Geological dating: 10,000 years before the first human civilizations. Japanese government blocks diving since 1998. Scientists from Ryukyu University admit it is not a natural formation. Is it just a coincidence that it is in the same region where the Devil's Sea disappears with ships? Before we wrap up, we'll leave you with one more bonus. A secret fact about number 1. Did you know that in 1998, a diver in Yonaguni, number 1, disappeared for 3 days and came back with this photo? He swore he saw it, but the government confiscated the evidence. We want to investigate this. Comment #Yonaguni if you want an exclusive video. So, which of these places do you think hides the biggest secret? Number 7 Hoia Baciu, the forest that swallows people. Number 1 Yonaguni, the forbidden underwater pyramid. Leave a comment, #X plus the mystery you want to unveil in the next video. Subscribe to Revealed, where the world reveals its mysteries. Activate the bell. Until next time, because the world still hides more than we can imagine. Goodbye, or maybe, see you in the unknown.